Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Acrobat Pro for free on your PC or Mac. So first, open up your browser and then go to adobe.com. I'll just leave the link down in the description. And once you're on the website, choose your country if it asks. Then click on free trial at the top of the page. And then you'll see these three options: individual, business, student, and teachers. So for most people, the individual plan is the best choice. It gives you a 7-day free trial of Acrobat Pro and sometimes includes a trial of Adobe Stock too. So click continue, then enter your email address. So if you've signed up before, it might already be filled in. Then hit continue again. Next, fill out the form with your details, including your payment method, but you don't have to worry about that because you won't be charged until the trial ends. So you can cancel it anytime before then. And then once you've done that, click on agree and subscribe. And then you'll see a message confirming your subscription. Now go ahead and set up your Adobe account password. If you don't have one yet, after that, download the Creative Cloud app because that's where you'll install Acrobat Pro from. And then once Creative Cloud is installed, open it, sign in using the same email, and go to the Apps tab. Scroll through the list until you see Acrobat Pro. Then click install. And that's it. You've now got Acrobat Pro running with your free trial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you out. Be sure to check out my other videos and I'll catch you on the next one.